Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new computer. Um, this is a new computer I want to set up. This is a Lenovo laptop, but before I set up this laptop, I want to put a disclaimer. I am not paid by Lenovo to do this. This is actually not a product review, but I'm going to use this Lenovo laptop to set up and show you how to do it. It can actually be any laptop or any Windows computer of your choice. So let's get started. I'm going to open it up. This is the power cord. And these are the packages that all these things comes together with it. So I'm going to connect the power cord. And besides the laptop, you're going to see a port for the power. This is where it goes into. You put it in here. And connect this end. Connect it like this. And the other end will be connected to a power outlet, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to open up the laptop. Take this out, put them by the side, and the laptop comes on. So I'm going to zoom this in a little bit. So at this point, we are going to continue with the setup. Okay, so looking at the screen, we're going to configure the system. We're going to set up the country. Here is United States is selected. I'm in the US. I'm going to press yes. Then it's going to ask you to select your keyboard layout. I'm going to use US keyboard layout. I'm going to press yes. And it's going to ask you, do you have a second keyboard? I don't have a second keyboard. I'm going to say skip. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. See that? So I don't have a second keyboard. I will say skip. Next, it's going to ask you to connect to a network. So I'm going to set this up connecting to my Wi-Fi. So I will say connect automatically, but this is not my Wi-Fi. I'm going to scroll down to my Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi here. I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to provide the password. So I've put my Wi-Fi password. You want to go ahead and click on next. Okay, so it's connected to my Wi-Fi password. The next thing is going to click on next. We're going to wait for a few minutes. It's getting things ready. Thanks for your patience. The PC will restart before we continue. Just a moment. The PC is restarting. So the next thing is to review the license agreement. You want to read the license agreement. If you want to read it, scroll down all the way to the bottom. After you agree with the license agreement, we come here and click on accept. So the next thing is that we're going to register this with our Microsoft account. Okay. You need to have a Microsoft account for you to be able to use Microsoft Office product suite. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. In the next video, I will show you how you can register, how you can set up your laptop without actually registering with Microsoft or without actually signing into your Microsoft account. But in this case, I'm going to sign into my Microsoft account. I'm going to click on sign in. Then I'm going to sign in with my Microsoft account information. I'm going to pause this for a minute, so I don't want you guys to see my Microsoft information. So when I finish on signing in, I'll come back up. So I have signed into my Microsoft account, and you can see it here. You can see it here, it says, welcome back, Richard. So I can do two things here. I can restore from this PC, assuming that I am transferring the content of my previous PC to this one. I can restore from this PC, but I don't think I want to do that. I'm not restoring to this PC. So what I'm going to do is I will just click on more options, and I have a list of other PCs that are under my Microsoft account. As you can see them here, we have series of them. I'm not going to restore from any of this. As you can see, there are so many of them from Unix Training Academy. But what I will do is to click here to say set up as a new PC. So you want to click on this. It says, are you sure? Are you sure you won't be able to restore this PC from backups later? I will say set up a new PC. And it's going to ask you to sorry, the office phone is ringing. So it's asking us to create a pin. I'm going to click on create pin for you to create a pin for you to be able to log into this laptop. I will go ahead and add my pin. So I've added my pin. This is the pin you're going to use to be logged into this laptop. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Choose privacy settings for your device. I'll go ahead and click on next. I will say next. I'll say next. I'll just leave everything as default. So you say protect your device. Name Richard Igwebu. This is my email address, and my country is United States. So I'm going to click on next. Then next. Let's customize your experience. I don't want to do any customization at this time. I'm just going to click on skip. So use your phone from your PC to scan this. So this is if they want me to be able to use my phone on my PC. I'm going to go ahead and click on skip. Keep your phone's photos saved with OneDrive. If you want to integrate your phone with OneDrive, I'll go ahead and click on skip. I'll pass this for now. Always have access to your recent browsing data. I'm going to say that for now. I'll pass on this. Your device is even better with Microsoft Office 365. So because I connected this device to my Microsoft account, I have all this Microsoft Office suite, which is available for me to use on this device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Got it. So you are up to date. Your update is in progress. We'll take it from here. So we are installing the latest features. As you can see here, this is step one. excuse me, of step 3. That's 6%. So I'm going to pause the recording for now until, excuse me, until the update is complete. Then we'll come back and finish up. As you can see, the update is at 58%. Is at 50. Let me see. Yeah, and see the update is at 62% now. So we're gonna still wait until when it is fully updated. So the update is complete, and the server and the laptop is rebooting, as you guys can see. Still booting up and finishing up with the update. So the update is complete and the server is done installing. So if I want to log into this, sorry, I keep on using server and laptop. The update is complete and the laptop setup is complete as well. So if I want to log into the laptop, I press enter, then I put in my PIN. See, welcome. So this is how to set up a brand new laptop, a brand new Windows laptop. In the next, how to set up a brand new Windows laptop using your Microsoft account. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up the laptop without you having to sign into your Microsoft account. Okay. Again, there are a few more steps to go before it's completely done. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Okay, the setup is complete and I am ready to start using my new Windows laptop. Like I said, in the next video, I will show you how to set up a laptop or Windows computer without requiring a Microsoft account. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.